In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync messages to iCloud on your iPhone, a simple yet powerful way to ensure you have a backup of your messages wherever you go. This process not only keeps your conversations safe, but also makes them accessible across all your Apple devices. So whether you're switching to a new phone or just want your messages handy, syncing to iCloud is essential. Let's get started. First, we need to access the iCloud settings on your iPhone. Begin by unlocking your iPhone and heading to the home screen. Look for the settings icon, which looks like a grey gear. Once you've located it, tap on it to open the settings menu. At the very top of this menu, you'll see your name. This is the Apple ID section, and tapping on it will lead you to several options related to your account. Go ahead and tap your name. After opening the Apple ID menu, you will see an option labelled iCloud. Tap on this and you'll be taken to the iCloud settings page. Here you'll find a list of apps and features that can be synced with iCloud. Now, depending on the version of iOS you're using, this list might require a bit of scrolling to find the right option. Keep scrolling until you come across Messages. Now, this is a crucial step. You want to make sure the toggle next to Messages is turned on, indicating that it's syncing with iCloud. If it's currently off, just tap on the toggle to turn it on. When activated, the switch will change color. This action will ensure your messages are backed up in iCloud, allowing you to access them anytime from any of your Apple devices. Once you've toggled messages on, your messages will begin syncing to iCloud automatically. This sync happens in the background and doesn't require any further action from you. It's as simple as that. A neat tip to keep in mind is ensuring your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network and has enough power or is plugged in during this syncing process, as these elements facilitate a smoother and faster transition of your data to iCloud. And with that, you've successfully set up your iPhone to sync messages to iCloud. Now, your conversations are safely stored and readily accessible whenever you need them. This is not only a great way to keep everything organized, but it also provides peace of mind knowing that your messages are safe even if anything happens to your device. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.